Well, do you have this on video? Oh, yeah, he has to get up the ground first.
Dude, that's crazy.
Yeah,
Look at those roads.
I know.
That's crazy.
I know. You just get some. Yeah, I was just gonna say it. Zoom up on that. Wow.
Those roads are crazy.
That's when he tears it down. Swimming pool over there.
Nice.
And in a pavilion.
Holy hell.
There's going to be a bathroom in a pavilion and a bar.
What are you going to do? Build a city over there?
I was saying, I was going to say to my dad, like, we should have our own Italian restaurant called Rufino's.
Yeah, that ain't gonna happen.
Yeah, I know. I still with the altitude. My dad doesn't have to look at the little things to work at.
Here we go. Dad!
On you. We should put this on YouTube.
This is gonna be crazy.
Oh boy. Yeah, it's so gonna hit one of those.
That's what I said.
Oh.
This is nuts.
Oh man.
Suspense. The suspense is building.
Ooh, it's bendy, it's snapping! It's snapping, go down, it's going! Oh! Woo! That was cool.
3-1 is down.
Ooh. Get a thing of the roots. Ooh, come Whoa!
Best part is it's free.
I know.
When we got those two taken down, we got to call people in. They took piece by piece down.